Hello and welcome to our YouTube video on how to create an online course and make money from it. With the rise of e-learning, online courses have become a popular way to learn new skills and gain knowledge from the comfort of your home. In this video, we'll go over the steps you need to take to create a successful online course and the different ways you can monetize your course. Step 1. Choose your topic and audience. The first step in creating an online course is to choose a topic that you're passionate about and that people are interested in learning. Research the market and see what courses are already available on the topic. You want to make sure that your course offers something unique and valuable to your audience. When choosing your audience, think about who would benefit the most from your course. Are you targeting beginners or advanced learners? What age group are you targeting? Narrowing down your audience will help you create a course that is tailored to their specific needs. Step 2. Plan your course content. Once you've chosen your topic and audience, it's time to plan out your course content. Break down your topic into smaller, more manageable sections and create lessons around them. Think about the best way to present the information, whether it's through video lectures, interactive quizzes, or written content. It's important to make your course engaging and interactive. Incorporate exercises and activities that allow your students to practice what they've learned. This will help them retain the information and apply it in real-life situations. Step 3. Create your course. Now that you've planned your course content, it's time to create it. If you're creating a video course, invest in a good quality camera and microphone to ensure that your videos are clear and professional looking. If you're writing content, make sure it's well organized and easy to read. Once your course is created, have beta testers go through it and provide feedback. This will help you improve your course and make it more effective for your students. Step 4. Choose your platform. There are several platforms you can use to host your online course, such as Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific. Do your research and choose a platform that best fits your needs and budget. Some platforms take a percentage of your sales, so factor that into your pricing strategy. Step 5. Monetize your course. Now that your course is live, it's time to start making money from it. Here are some ways you can monetize your course. 1. Sell your course on a platform like Udemy or Teachable. 2. Offer a subscription-based model where students pay a monthly fee to access your course and any updates you make to it. 3. Sell your course as part of a package that includes coaching or consulting services. 4. Offer a free course and upsell students to a paid course that offers more in-depth content and personalized support. Conclusion. In conclusion, creating an online course can be a lucrative way to share your expertise and help others learn new skills. By following these steps and monetizing your course in a strategic way, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Thank you for watching our video and good luck creating your online course.